Schwan Cosmetics invented the cosmetic pen 90 years ago. Today, numerous cosmetic brands are among the customers of the Franconian family business. Finding the right shade range has been a challenging process. For example, whenever a cosmetic brand chose a new lipstick range with a plum colour theme, Schwan Cosmetics employees first searched the internet for possible colour variations. After that, the employees selected the most suitable shade in the standard warehouse from more than 12,000 different colours. These sample pens were then sent by post to the customer. Having taken the customer's feedback into account, this process sometimes had to be repeated several times until the right selection of colours was found. This is why Schwan Cosmetics has reinvented colour sampling. Using the SAP cloud-based web platform Color Visualizer, the customer is able to define the desired colours him or herself in a variety of ways. Whether by inputting colour codes such as RGB or Pantone, or uploading a photo containing the desired colour, there is a suitable solution for every need. The best colour matches from the entire Schwan Cosmetics portfolio are then calculated and suggested. Thanks to the filter function, the results can now be further specified. This ensures that only the most relevant colours are shown. In order to digitally display the colour and its special effects, like pearl, in the best possible way, it can be viewed at different angles. Found what you were looking for? Simply save your favourite colours in your own project and directly request sample pens. This guarantees that the colour samples sent out are now as close as possible to your imagination. This makes the colour sampling process not only easier and faster, but also more sustainable, as waste caused by unspecific and unnecessary samples is reduced.